Shobafet. Welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cars, Stands, and Less. And I'm your nice, good, beautiful, great fan host, Nkupi, the entertainer. All about the group. Let's hit the road. We leave them. When your car is all good and perfect, but it has a kung 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 sound on the CV, you leave it. I've been living nicely without cars. Not without cars, but without you. So nowadays, you feel like you own me. You don't own me. I'll still do what I do without a car. You must sit there and think about what you do, what you did. You are in the naughty corner. You're gonna be there until your mind is right. You decide whether you want to be a car or you want to be a blompot. So if you want to be a blompot, you'll stay there and decorate the house just like this tree. It never goes anywhere. You can sit there, unite, be friends, make friends, talk about how you're going to be watching everyone who's going in and out of this gate. You will have a new friend, the SUV, but that one will exit when my dad exits. I don't know who's gonna drive you. My dad won't. I won't. Sit and think about what you've done. And the moment you have come to a conclusion, whether you want to be a car or you want to be something that's always nursed, that's always making me spend money, sometimes unnecessarily so. You want to be something that it's always towed. Always tow you when you're in the road, always making me call people unnecessary. I don't like bothering people. And you're making me bother people, call people. Why? And for what? I only did one good thing. I tried to do you good. I heard your CV starting to go and I went to take a famba and change the CV. And that's where everything started. I regret changing that CV. I should have left you with that and see where you will end up. You are annoying. Mac. Hi, Mac. Mac, 31 hours. See you soon, buddy. When? I'm continuing with life. The way I used to continue with life. I'm not going to be bothered by a car. Now I have to sit at home. I can't even move. I can't do anything because of a car. What? I was born without a car. And Mac will come and save me. Mac will come to the party. At this pace, I'm finishing Mac. Mac will be finished. I'll be in the road. And when I'm in the road with Mac, nothing will stop me. On my way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm on my way up. Hey, why not? I'm just cruising. Kind of my people don't like it when I chew gum. They say it's disturbing me, and it's all I hear. At least when I'm in a car, and when I hear the exhaust, I understand. But when I'm outside like this, I don't know why. They just hate it. They just hate it. I don't know why. People love hating. Guys, I'm broke. I'm broke because of that car. I don't have anything. I'm broke. I can risk driving it. But if something happens in the road, I'm not going to be able to save myself. I'm not going to be able to move from that point where something happened, which I know it's going to happen. CV is going to happen. I'm going to be stuck in that place and I will not be able to do anything. But when I have money, I don't care. Otherwise, if I stuck, I'll make plans to be fixed. I buy things. I'll get towed away, all of those things. But when you're broke, guys, leave your car at home. Anyway, guys, I'm broke. And all the things that I'm removing from my cars, please come and buy. I have rims, 15-inch rims, 4x100. I have other 15-inch rims, 5x100. It's 6 bar VR6 and Wi-Fi. Hey, hola. It's 1 So I have 2 sets of rims. The one I removed from Mac, and these other rims I had from Tsoitos a long time ago. It's not Tsoitos, but it's Nosy. From a long time ago. So guys, please come and buy them. The ones which were on Mac, they have tires, all 4 tires. 195, 50, 50. What else do I have? I have this other engine mounting. The engine mounting, original engine mounting for Golf 4. So whoever needs Golf 4 engine mounting, away. Whoever needs a Golf 4 engine mounting, which is attaching the gearbox to the body, must hit me up. I also have it brand new. But guys, come on. Do I also have? What do you see me removing from my cars? Oh, I have the steering, which would look good for your proper velocity and all of that. I have it. You saw I removed it and I put the VR6 steering. So come and buy these things, so I can start working on. Mac. So if you don't, it's still okay. I will be patient. No, I will start working on Motlhago. But if you don't, it's still fine. I'll still find a way of working around it, and I will just wait until I have money and then drive Motlhago again. As for now, whatever money that I have, I'm gonna throw and make. Motlhago can wait. It's busy being a slave queen. Sometimes you need to teach these cars a lesson. Anyway, what's happening here? What is happening here? No way. Damn. So I just got here. That Bibi's auto styling. Hey, they got tires. Seems like they just changed the brakes. Velos all together. Velos all round. Hey, they just tinted the car. They just tinted the car. It wasn't tinted. It honestly wasn't tinted. They just tinted it. You gave it a window tint. Ning.
No. 3 days back.
Hey man, same time le drilling yellow. Mara wa excited boni.
3 days back.
The bush said Jerry velo all round.
Velo remi wole jimara. Ya so tshwara pule tsa mae hlape gape.
Even maybe khani be se tlhapile.
E tlhapile mara se fe. O no wana pule e thoba.
La togela. Ikole Bibi a re le to ya kuzozo.
Yeah, sanje o di wa pipe gape. Go le fishangwane le thoba ya duta
ni. So you do when you weldediwa fela. E duta mo kae mo flanching mo
di ma branch.
Ya kae mo mathomong a yona hore.
Mo mathomong.
E duma tsela mdala.
Yeah.
Reggae.
Is
Box e go e shumisha ka mo goleng.
Sound e tlo tsena ka mo e thoma from those ke back seat ke fully back seat delete. Yo thoma mo thoma.
Man. O sayo idea.
Sound ka mo ka fully back seat ka.
Morata sound.
Box e tlo tsena ja le no go la back seat. But for competition and what was
Back seat delete.
out. Yeah.
Ditabo ya tsa di bona. And what are the plans with that engine?
I get a more size 40. So I can say.
So re le ntšha yo nyaka yone ka pakiwa.
Ah, pagi.
So you nyaka eng?
You go look good, my friend. Pagi. No, look like chicken, brown, no camudi, new fish.
Kitchen.
Eh, chicken. So
you lo lekela koleng efe?
I can tell. Decide.
Le fete ya go golfing e white.
Full free. Well, being Michigan away one.
Eh?
Together, being Michigan away one.
Eh mon.
So, yeah. See,
Change nefi. Tšhe di tingwe le yone. Ai ke standard. Di jwang di-piston tše di teng le nagana?
No, piston, Bibi were less size 20. I went to three. Another size 4.
Ya se tshwenye ka bobele.
No, Bora, Gore. Roba, Lashi, time. That's why I didn't cheat.
Ke lena e le release le noro.
Hello, we look good. Pagapan. Go, gearbox, it not change to 2 pieces.
Mara system ya kam e tshwana le ya ka go.
So, yeah.
Run like Value chica goleng. Eh? Value chica goleng.
Nkupi. Bibi. Re ke Nkupi. Tamayo.
Yeah.
Hello, channel. And I'm Breezer channel. Like it. Hello, channel.
Hello channel la ba fit. Breezy bana wa mama.
Voilà. Et ça l'a rendu, c'est good.
Ouais. No bebele. Aram metwa.
Marega slapisha masana.
How's I rating people?
Ke a tšea. Ke ya ka le bona ba tseba.
Letswele.
Front. Nyaga front. And a little bit of.
But it looks like it's still straight. I'm not going to get it.
Wow, no. MPI, boleh.
See Nkupi, the body. I didn't drain.
Oh no, if I could just sustain. Then you know start the review, so you wouldn't know mo go yan.
Mgwayo bilo kana go jele.
Yeah.
Before I come out.
Ah, mon, go back to Bella. Bula go. Eh? Awa. Only man. I'm now. And I can moan or I can do something.
Ke nngwe mara ya go gongwe e tsamaišana le di-wiper leng gape mamthane ke reila ke batametse main screen
Bona le Bibi ya ba.
Every day mona motho o phela solver. Every day o phela solver. The solver every day. Why ka re o tshwenya o sanya go lebelela? Motho o phela le go isha.
Ona mo mathomong ona le mabe a ke tse gore kae cause ba removile ba lokela mo ya mathoma ke di be parada bere mare ka se start to wala box mo ba plaka ndede a o bonile silver mona a ke tse mo or jwa.
Guys, today the new problem in Seshego is resting. But what I like about it is like it's got its velocity rims back. It's gonna be a proper car. When you see a Golf under the tree, it will leave very soon. If you see a beam under the tree, sponge, barb, square, pen. I'm no look at it about the so clutch by deal. I'm on my cellular room the video. John. I'm considering to buy this car, guys, and selling it so at least I make something. Well, like a ka fasadi clutch.
Wa bona mona Bibi a tsena e bila e tholele
Ah man, Bibi wa tseba re mo ka exit. Awu. Ukule mabopane.
Kula go mapana.
Phela fidget tire.
Argo face kikinta. Dala warila.
apella la driver
Dala warila.
mona lokala
O wena wa getlela.
Lagia tamai.
Wena o betha sapo man. Ah, dilebo o fisha o bora go. Ja.
Phela re le ya be ke chase.
E ba. Lu shora le fe.
It look just stack. Yeah, and they sound nice. You know about because of the throttle throttle.
Inyaka pipe ya into ya mo.
Like so it will say oh dear.
Oh, ile we keep ile go godimo. Ah, we ye go it go fine. Let
Map sense.
Hayi, mga yena o tla tseba.
Map sense.
Mga yena o tla tseba. Bo malume. Hello, sympathy. Get away, Bonaka Pule. Guys, this guy is wiping this car in the rain. Check. Check closely, check. See the rain, and he's wiping the car. That's how crazy guys get over the car. He is wiping the car in the rain. Yeah. He is wiping it. Arwani! One! Arwan! One! Yeah, one! R1! Jwale ya tswa jwale. Malume! Starting. Bagian Sans. Hey guys, ke movie and Sans. Kumane ba startile ntendo. Re ke bone ba di thriller ka mo gare ka. Today thriller. No activities. No activities on the trailer today. Yeah, mom take it off. No, but where is this bottle here? I think he was here. He was here working. He should have went somewhere. Oh, danke. Or mom take latte. Lichai shit. Wow. Mom take really doing. Oh, storeroom. Yeah, well, Evan, come over to college. Good thriller. Thriller. Que sharp, buena. Spani. Remember those shapes that you used to draw there in primary school? Those shapes that you used to draw in primary school on the drawing board. No drawing board, coloring book. Here we are, practical. You saw where all the knowledge is needed.